Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Antti Korhonen. I'm the CEO and founder of DTech. DTech is a fintech company based in UK and Finland. The topic of the day is managing uncertainty in financial institutions. And as we all very well know, managing uncertainty is a relevant topic in the present day, very turbulent environment in politics, economics, and finance. I used to be the chief regulator of the Finnish banking supervision, and at that time Finland did experience the worst banking crisis in its history. I also have a long business career in commercial banking, and in both my roles I have seen the drastic consequences of failure to manage uncertainty efficiently. Therefore, we have developed advanced financial management and risk management strategies for financial institutions, and I shall briefly tell you about them. So, the problem is how to manage financial institutions or business areas, smaller business areas or portfolios in the face of uncertainty. And the answer is consider all management goals simultaneously. It's important to consider various conflicting goals, together with a number of future scenarios, environmental scenarios, and mathematically solve for the optimal strategy. So our tool or platform, DTech Optimizer, is a strategic financial management tool. It's typically applied to strategic asset and liability management, dynamic financial analysis, and enterprise-wide risk management problems. It offers solutions to a number of institutions and applications like banks, insurance companies, pension funds, asset management, and even complex financial groups consisting of banking, insurance, and other financial services activities. The solutions cover, as could be seen, various institutions. You use scenarios to describe future uncertainty, the topic that we are talking about. You deal with a number of management goals, conflicting goals, and above all, we do cover a number of regulatory frameworks. The previous speaker did already touch upon the regulatory aspects, and it's important that in the current day solutions regulations are included in the analysis. The technology we apply to the strategic financial planning and risk management problem is dynamic stochastic optimization, which is a very advanced methodology for dealing a very complex problem like that of ours. And the outcome is dynamic scenario-based strategies, which are very concrete and detailed and numerical and give good recommendations for managing the companies or business areas. The management goals deal with a number of typical strategic planning issues like profitability, solvency, liquidity, risks, growth, and other typical management goals. Our point of view is that of the top management, the board, the CEO, and so on, and these are typical strategic planning issues, which have to be resolved under very difficult environmental conditions where things really can't be forecasted quite often. The key benefits consist of the fact that by using optimization, you get the best forward-looking strategies for managing uncertainty. They prepare the institutions for a number of scenarios simultaneously, and by their dynamic nature, they produce better results than more traditional approaches. The solutions are able to handle very large-scale financial planning problems. They cover multiple risks in an integrated fashion, and as I mentioned already, they even cover complex financial groups, and the recommendations that are produced are very concrete and transparent. As we are in a FinTech conference, it's interesting to note that we cover 5 FinTech areas in our application area: BankTech, InsurTech, WealthTech, RiskTech, and RegTech. And it shows that this is a rather comprehensive planning tool. That is the nature of our applications. We have a stand in the Atrium Hall. You would be most welcome to come to talk about our applications in more detail. What we are looking for is funding, clients, and partners. And they all are most welcome to come to our stand. Thank you.